Have you ever heard of the Martingale strategy? A betting system that promises to turn every loss into a win? Or wondered how randomness, chance, and uncertainty shape the way we think about risk? Today, we'll explore the Martingale strategy and how it connects to the fascinating world of stochastic thinking. Bite. What is the Martingale strategy? The Martingale strategy is a simple betting system that dates back to the 18th century France. The rule is straightforward. Every time you lose, you double your bet. That way, the first win you get will recover all previous losses and give you some good profits. Example: start with $5. Lose, $10. Lose again, $20. Lose again, $40. Then win. Recover all losses plus some profit. The Martingale strategy is still ongoing. If you are still lost on what is happening, I am in the middle of gathering data for the total goals even of 2 matches using the Martingale system. This is part 8 of the video series in which I explain a bit of what is happening before everything switches to mathematical notion. In the process, I will try to establish a perfect model for this Martingale strategy I am busy experimenting with.
Back to the experiment, the probability of success P is equal to 0.25, and I am interested in the number of trials needed for the first success to be observed, which is represented by Tn in this case. As you can see, for instance, in round 71, T1, the number of trials needed was only 1, meaning the success here was observed after 0 failure. And in round 72, T9, which means the number of trials needed for the first success to be observed, were 9. This time around, I'm not going to waste time going through every round as I have been doing in the previous video, as this time I want a shorter video. So you can see the sequence continue: T5, T4, T3, T6, T4, T2, T9, T9. That completed 80 rounds. Now if we take the summation of profit or loss from round 71 to round 80, you can see here that we made a profit of 5,487.3. A very huge profit this time around. So I'm going to make sure I confirm that with my Excel data. And if we look at the summation now from round 1 all the way to round 80, you can see the profit here is 1,827.6. Let me just confirm those numbers with my Excel data. So I'm doing that. Just opening my Excel. So the Martingale strategy experiment. We go. So round 71 started from 298. Now we are going to take the summation of profit or loss from take the summation now from 298 to 298 to 349. You can see the profit here is 5,487.3, just like what we get there in the project. Now, if I take the summation of profit or loss from the first trial since I started this experiment all the way to 349 trials where round 80 ended. Again, you can see the profit is 1,827.6. So everything is clear and correct as I have recorded. That was it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. To conclude this video, I will just add some few remarks regarding the Martingale strategy and stochastic thinking.
So, the Martingale strategy may seem like a quick path to profit, but stochastic thinking reminds us, in a world ruled by probability, certainty is an illusion. The smart move isn't to fight randomness, but to understand it.